All right, we got a very, very special guest with us today. Tips by Dennis Tenorino, the Customer Success Director here at Brilliant Directories. Dennis, let me unmute your microphone here. You chat with hundreds and hundreds of BD customers and prospective customers each and every month, and you come across some very common questions or scenarios that people might have in the beginning stages of starting their projects, right?
That's exactly right. Hey, it's great to be here again. Good times always. Great updates, by the way. Yes, talk to all different types of people in all different stages of their idea or in the process of getting launched and online. So it's great to see all different things. So yeah, I wanted to share some, 5 types of key users considering Brilliant Directories. There's all different phases you can be in, and we talk to people in all of them. First one I wanted to start with was nonprofits, associations with more than 50 to 100 members. We do see a lot of people, approaching us with sites that may already be existing, or with businesses or associations or nonprofits that already exist that have, 50 to 100 members, and they see that they want to scale up or they want to grow their business or the association to hold either hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of members, and they want a product to help automate things. That's a very popular type of user coming to visit Brilliant Directories. We see a lot of those come and approach us and just want to know how they can make things easier to facilitate a site for their users and visitors to come, and then also save time on the business side of things.
Yeah, it's really cool. What I notice also is a lot of schools, school organizations too, like alumni, and they're kind of like outgrowing their current system, and they're just looking at something that offers better
That's right.
member management in that sense.
Yeah, I agree. I think that's a very popular one as well. Yeah, they want something that they can grow with, scale with, and something that they feel comfortable using for the long term and having a good relationship. Okay, so another big one is going to be existing publications looking to add a membership functionality. So we see a lot of like publications, magazines, newspapers, city guides that want to add a membership functionality to their website. It could be for various things, to run advertisements. It could be to collect payments for the ads. It could be for basically subscriptions or subscribers. So a lot of those we see scaling and growing and wanting to have that membership portion so that they can help things grow and expand their business.
Yeah, what I've seen with a lot of like existing magazine publications is they have these advertisers like month after month on their site, but then after that cycle of advertising is over, they have no way of like keeping the advertiser interested. So what they're doing is creating like a preferred directory of all their past advertisers, and
Yeah,
that's what they're creating as well.
that's right. That's right. It's good to have the digital side covered, especially if they're print. There's a lot of print ones out there that want that digital side happening. Let's see. All right, next one is going to be bloggers turning subscribers into paying members. Now, this has been more and more popular than ever. I see a lot of bloggers. They have all this traffic. They have great search and SEO. They're gurus at that, and they want to turn those people into subscribers to either follow them, to access things, or to just get revenue and payments from them. So we see a lot of them looking to a source like Brilliant Directories to be able to create something like that. And people have every idea you could think of from A to Z when it comes to blogging. That's what's really neat about that. But that has been a really popular topic or type of person approaching us. Next one, entrepreneurs testing demand with an industry. Now, this is probably, I'd say, the top one of my favorites and becoming the most popular is people looking to get an idea online quickly and easily. People don't realize that, a lot of thought and time has gone in Brilliant Directories, which we're all grateful for here. But, our software comes 90% pre-built. So just the fact that you skip ahead of all the generations of having it built from scratch and taking your idea and put so much effort and work into it and not know what's going to happen. We've turned the industry on its head with having a software that's 90% ready to go. So when you turn the key with Brilliant Directories and get things going, you have that much ahead of everybody else or those times to get your idea online quickly. So you can go into a market, launch a site, stand it up, and get online right away. Test it out for a month or two, and if you're not sure about that, you've done your test. It's a very small business opportunity cost, and people really love and appreciate that because they have an answer quickly, and then they know if they want to go ahead and invest or divest more into that industry. So that's probably been the top one. And we've seen those people. The good news is, I'd say 3 out of 4 of those people that are trying ideas are keeping them online. And the last one, online coaches who require recurring payments for access to premium content. Now, this is growing and growing and growing every day. So people, like a good example of this is somebody who wants to create a website, say with videos or with content, downloadable PDFs, white pages, documents. Coaches is a very popular one, or anything online based. People are looking for a way to either have people subscribe or have a membership focused website around that to access what's behind like a paywall or just behind the wall, right? They have to be logged in and approved to be in there. This would be another type of really big user of people approaching Brilliant Directories.
That's awesome. Yeah, what I've seen is people are looking to scale up their operations, find a more robust platform, uh,
That's right.
and a better way to collect and manage payments from their members.
Yeah, everybody loves the automation side of things and how you can just do it all in one place and that it all just launches quickly. That's probably the biggest part, just like you said.
Awesome, Dennis. Well, well said. It's always good to see what the trends are in the industry, and that also helps stimulate ideas for. You might have another project in mind, and then you can know what the good solutions are for that type of idea.
That's right. That's right. Very true.
All right. Thanks so much for your time, Dennis, and for joining
Thanks
us
for having
today.
me.
Awesome.